How to apply for a mortgage using Regions Bank Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you thinking about buying a home? Well, here is how to apply for a mortgage online with Regions Bank. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can simply click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, you simply have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in, you simply have to navigate to loans and select the mortgage. And here, once you do that, you should simply click on apply now and fill out your personal details, property info and desired loan amount. And with that, you have to provide financial information including income, employment and existing debts too. And after that, you simply have to review available mortgage options, interest rate, and repayment terms before submitting your application. And once you're done with it, you simply have to click Submit Applications, and Regions Bank will confirm receipt and guide you through the next step. And that's it. That's how you can apply for a mortgage using Regions Bank Online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.